Hello boys and girls. Today I'm going to show you how to pour water, much like we've done in our classroom before, except we're going to modify it so that you can do it in your own home. So for this lesson, you will need a tray, a sponge, 2 glasses for water, and some water. And what we've done here is we've added just 1 drop of blue food coloring just to add a little bit of interest and to make it a little bit more exciting for the child. This practical life exercise falls under the branch of care of the environment. It helps the child to develop their exact muscular control. It helps them to understand the importance of being neat in their actions. And of course, it also teaches them how to pour water. All right, I hope you enjoyed learning how to pour water. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.